The BCI storage form can be used to request storage space directly by users or by technical staff on behalf of others. The storage domain can be selected, which will tailor the information that is required and alter the questions accordingly. If the user does not specify a review date, the system will determine when the contents should be assessed according to the storage domain policy. A separate flow alerts technical staff when items are due for review and will provide guidance on assessment. All physical storage locations are labeled to aid in finding items after registration. This can be recorded preemptively, or amended after registration. It is useful to associate documentation such as manuals, user guides, drawings, etc. with an item in storage. When the user scans the QR code, or searches the unique identifier, they will quickly have access to this material. Similarly, links to videos demonstrating, for example, setup of equipment, can be associated with the item. Once a request for storage has been submitted, the system will first check to make sure the person submitting is a registered lab user for the current academic year. If they are not, they will be sent an email notifying them that they cannot store items in the labs unless they have registered, and provide links to the appropriate registration forms and useful information. If the storage request was not made by a member of the technical services team, an approval request will be generated providing details of item in question. If approved, the user will be notified and instructed to speak to the approver in order to collect a label and further instruction. The item is added to the master storage list. The list can be filtered by storage domain to aid technicians in managing different areas. Opening an item, we can see that the uploaded supplementary information is now associated with that item. Depending on the storage domain, a template file with the most appropriate information fields is retrieved. Additionally, a QR code of the link to the item is created and can be copied to the label. When printed, the fields are updated with the relevant information from the storage and lab user registration lists. As you can see, a label has now been created with the unique identifying number, the item owner, the owner's supervisor, and the review date for the item. The QR code can be scanned to access the list item and all associated attachments.